All right, back on the fair lane. I gotta repair this line, this cooler line. I think it's a return line. This one's good. So I have a piece that I'm going to bend. Well, I already bent. I'm going to flare the ends. You reuse this one, and then I got some AN fittings. Let's see here. So this is going to go one end of the tube, and this is going to go in that end. And there's a union to put them together, and then this of course go back into the radiator. But I got to put the radiator in to see kind of how big I need it, so I can cut that line right. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Put the radiator in, see where I'm at, and then cut it to size and flare everything and kind of put it together, because I can't really start it and let it run and idle until I get that cooler line fixed. All right. And this is something aftermarket, of course. Sometimes I wish people would just leave the stock stuff back onto a car instead of modifying something. Alright, just throw one screw in here just to get an idea. So you can see this goes in here. I'm not even sure, like, this doesn't even fit, to be honest. Really? Oh, you know what? Oh, shoot. Yeah, so this, that goes in here. Oh, man, I'm missing a piece. And that goes in there. Alright, well, now I gotta go find one of these. But in the meantime, we'll stick this where it's supposed to go. Alright. We'll see. This is the other piece. So it looks like it kind of goes this way anyway. Huh. I'm not sure what's going on here. Not really. And we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a little bit off that and flare an end on there to get it started. Oh, of course, I lost one of the screws. Oh. Where is that? Flares. I mean, this is an old flaring tool too, so it should be good. Alright. Problem is, it's not actually clean. Look.
I see that. I can see it from here.
Hoping maybe I can just get it to. I might push it down a little bit. It'll start flaring it out. And that just pushes it down. Oh my gosh. I should have. Oh, you know what? Might have to go in your
What you need, brother?
That's tight. I don't know, try this again. Nope. Might need to just put it in the vise. Wow. It's so freaking tight that I can't.
Let me go get the keys.
I'm having trouble with the stainless steel line flaring it out because it's so resistant. This doesn't tighten up, so I had to get the vise on here, and it's starting to do it now. Thank goodness. Now it's getting on my nerves. All right, there's one. I gotta do the other side. Holy crap. Never had one so hard. Alright. So there, that goes on there. Alright. Probably should flare out more, but well, that's all there is. Same with this one. This on, put it in the vise, get this where it needs to be. Alright. Hopefully, this side will go just as smooth. Alright. It's flaring. There it goes. Cool. That repair line is built. Ugh. And I didn't forget a fitting. I tend to do that. All right, fitting on there, tube built. Check out Tommy's crazy project. This V8 trike. Oh my gosh. He's knocking it out though. Say hi, Tommy.
Hi.
Sheesh. This thing is just as long as a freaking car. But it's pretty awesome. I can't wait to see it in the driveway. Alright, back on it. Alright, we're gonna throw this transmission in real quick. Actually, let's put this where it needs to go. Not tight, but this goes there. Or transmission, what was it? Radiator. The radiator. Tommy was talking about taking the transmission out because he's got to get that thing. What do you call it? He's got to get the transmission taken out of his trike to swap out the torque converter. Alright. That's pretty much where it's going. Best part is, alright, I gotta get another one for that. Heck yeah, man. It's gonna work. Excuse me. Now I gotta go get the heater hose that I forgot all about. Heater hose. And what's this go to? Oh, this is the overflow. So the overflow. I'm getting there. I think next time I'll get that other fitting I need for over here, and then we'll just plumb everything in. Hopefully just get it idling. Do an oil change. Well, I gotta put this in there. I think that's all I'm gonna do for tonight. So, all right.